If you're into ancient sites with incredible techniques used to build them, then you cannot go past the Osireion. It has everything that's interesting in from the really ancient buildings. And I've done this series looking at the nubs and the little tiny stone blocks and the megaliths, and I'm working on my series on the Osireion. And I keep finding more and more things that just make me go, yes, I have seen this before. I just want to show you all the places in the Osireion that I could find that have big blocks that actually curve around corners. This amazing block is in the corner of the Osireion where the little tiny bit of the ceiling still remains. And it's an ugly block, but it's just mind-blowing the way that it curves around. And there's quite a few of them like that. Most of them, however, that are curved just have a little bit of curve, but that big one had a big one. This one here, it too has a fairly big amount of curve in it, but mostly it's just little curves. And also blocks that have indents, as if the stone was drying and they leaned something against it, or they tried to push it back into place just to get it a bit better shape. And these are exactly the sorts of things that I've discussed in other episodes where I've discussed the techniques for putting in place polygonal stonework. So if you want to check that out, I've got it on an episode I did maybe 2 years ago, actually. But if all you have to do is look for polygonal stone softening, and you should find it. And if you can't find it, then just go into my community page and you'll see that I've put it in there so that to make a link easier.